Look at the question number 2. Simplify and express each of the following in the exponential form. So you have to get down your answer in the exponential form. That's all. Now look at the question number 2. First part, 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 4 divided by 3 into 32. So now 2 power 3 into 3 power 4. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. That means 2 to the power 2. Am I right here? Yes. Now expressed as the product of prime. That's all. Now 32 can be written as, do the prime factorization. Okay. Prime factorization of 32 is what? 2 to the power 5 here. 2 to the power 5 here. Now again 2 power 3 into 2 power 2. 2 power 3 into 2 power 2 into 3 power 4 by 2 power 5 into 3. 3 to the power 1 we can write. Am I right? Now a power m into a power n is a to the power m plus n, that is 2 to the power 3 plus 2 into 3 to the power 4 by 2 power 5 into 3 power 1. That means again a power m into a power n is a to the power m plus n. So 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 4 by 2 power 5 into 3 power 1. Am I right? Yes. Then after that 2 power 5, 2 power 5, either you can cancel, otherwise you can write like 2 to the power 5 minus 5 into 3 to the power 4 minus 1. A power m divided by a power n, that is the same base. Okay, denominator also same, so we can cancel, otherwise a power m divided by a power n, that you can write a to the power m minus n. Here a power m divided by a power n, a to the power m minus n. So 2 to the power 5 minus 5 is nothing but 0. 3 to the power 4 minus 1 is what? 3 here. So anything for 0, 1, 1 into 3 power 3, which is nothing but 3 to the power 3. This is the answer. Am I right here? Yes. Now look at the second question. It is given that 5 power 2 the whole power 3. Second part, 5 power 2 the whole power 3 into 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 7. 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 7. Now a power m the whole power n is a power mn. So 5 power 2 the whole power 3 means 5 to the power 2 into 3, 6 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 power 7. Am I right? Here a power m the whole power n is nothing but a power mn. Now again, since a power m the whole power n is a to the power mn here. Am I right here? Since a power m the whole power n is nothing but a to the power mn. Now a power m into a power n is a to the power m plus n. That means 5 to the power 6 plus 4 divided by 5 power 7. That means what? 5 to the power 10 divided by 5 to the power 7. Am I right? That means a power m into a power n is a to the power m plus n. Then again 5 power 10 divided by 5 power 7. It is in the form of a power m divided by a power n. So you can write a to the power m minus n. That means 5 to the power 10 minus 7, which is equal to 5 to the power 3. Are you getting, children? Yes. Shall we move to the next part? Yeah. Look at the third question now. That means 25 power 4 divided by 5 power 3. 25 power 4 25 power 4 divided by 5 power 3. So 25 power 4, first we express this as the product of prime. 25, you can write 25 can be written as 5 square. So 5 square the whole power 4 divided by 5 power 3. Am I right here? Yes. It is in the form of a power m the whole power n. So you can write a to the power mn So 2 4s are 8 divided by 5 to the power 3. Am I right? Since a power m the whole power n is equal to a to the power mn. Then a power m divided by a power n. A to the power m minus n. That means a power 5 power 8 minus 3. That is a power m divided by a power n is a to the power m minus n. So what is the meaning of that? 5 to the power 8 minus 3 is what? 5. You need not to simplify. You can get your answer in the exponent form. Am I right? Yes. Now, come to the fourth part. 3 into 7 square. 3 into 7 square into 11 power 8 divided by 21 into 11 power 3. Here 3 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, but 21 is not a prime number. So you have to express this the product of prime. So 3 into 7 to the power 2 into 11 to the power 8 divided by 21 can be written as 3 into 7 into 11 to the power 3. Are you getting, children? Yes. Now what you can do? You can cancel these 3. So what is left out? 7 power 2 into 11 power 8 by 7 into 11 power 3. What it is that? 7 power 2 by 7 power 1 into 11 power 8 divided by 11 power 3. So it is in the form of a power m divided by a power n. So you can write a to the power m minus n. That means 7 to the power 2 minus 1 into 11 to the power 8 minus 3. Am I right? So 7 to the power 2 minus 1 is nothing but 7 to the power 1 into 11 to the power 8 minus 3 is 5. That means 7 into 11 to the power 5. That's all. This is your final answer. Am I right? Yes. Now, look at the fifth part in that. 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 4 into 3 power 3. So how can you do that? 3 power 7. Here a power m into a power n. So you can write a to the power m plus n. A to the power m plus n. That is 3 to the power 4 plus 3, which is equal to 3 power 7 by 3 power 7. So either you can cancel 3 power 7, 3 power 7. Otherwise it is in the form of a power m by a power n. That means a to the power m minus n. 7 minus 7. That is equal to 3 power 0. Am I right? Anything power 0 is what? 1. Anything power 0 is what? 1. So 1 is the final answer. Are you getting there? Are you getting or not? Yes. Now, shall we move to the next part? Question number 6. It is given that the second question, sixth part. It is given that 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0 plus 4 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1 because anything power 0 is what? 1. Anything power 0 is what? 1. So 2 power 0 is 1, 3 power 0 is 1, 4 power 0 is also what? 1 here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 3. Am I right? Yes. Shall we move to the next part? Yeah. Look at the seventh subdivision. 2 power 0 into 3 power 0 into 4 power 0. Seventh part, second question. 2 power 0 into 3 power 0 into 4 power 0. So we know that anything power 0 is what? 1. Anything power 0 is what? 1. So 2 power 0 is 1. 3 power 0 is also 1. 4 power 0 is also 1. Anything power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. Am I right here? Yes. Now, eighth part. It is given that 3 power 0 plus 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 0. So anything power 0, 1. Anything power 0, 1 into anything power 0, 1. Since a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. Which is equal to 2. Are you getting, children? Yes. Now come to the ninth subdivision. It is given that 2 power 8 8th, 9th subdivision, I think so. Okay, yes, 2 power 8 into a to the power 5 divided by 4 power 3 into a to the power 3. Am I right? Yes, 2 is a prime factor, but 4 is not a prime factor. So what you can do? 2 power 8 into a to the power 5 by 4 can be written as 2 square. So 2 square the whole power 3 into a to the power 3. Now 2 power 8 by a power m the whole power n. That means a to the power mn. So 2 to the power 6 into a power 5 by a power 3. A power 5 by a power 3. Now it is in the form of a power m divided by a power n. So you can write a to the power m minus n, that is 2 to the power 8 minus 6 into a to the power 5 minus 3. So 2 to the power 8 minus 6 is nothing but 2. A to the power 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2. So we expressed in the exponential form. That is 2 power 2 into a power 2. 2 power 2 into a power 2. Otherwise you can write a power m into b power m. You can write ab the whole power m. That is 2a the whole square you can write if you want. Am I right here? Yes. Are you getting, children? Yes. So we will continue in the next video. That is subdivision 10, 11 and 12. Thank you everybody.